Bahmani Kingdom. The Bahmani Kingdom of Deccan was founded by Hasan Gyam, whose original name was Ismail Muk. The capital was Gulbarga. Hasan Gyam took the title of Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah. AD 1347 to 58, became the first king of Bahmani in AD 1347. At the time of his death, his dominion had 4 provinces: Gulbarga, Daulatabad, Berar and Bidar. Mahmud Shah I, 1358 to 75, son of Bahman Shah, established a council consisting of 8 ministers and decentralized his provincial
Justice must uphold order.
He fought with Vijayanagar. He was succeeded by his son Alauddin Mujahid Shah. Firoz Shah, 1397 to 1422, was the most remarkable figure in the Bahmani kingdom. He was determined to make Deccan the cultural center of India. He inducted Hindus in his administration to large extent. He built an observatory at Daulatabad. He founded the city of Firozabad on the bank of the river Bhima. Firoz defeated Devrai I. Firoz Shah was succeeded by his brother Ahmad Shah I, AD 1422 to 36. He shifted his capital from Gulbarga to Bidar. Ahmad Shah is known as Wali or Saint due to his association with Gisudiras. Inlaying of zinc with silver and gold and Bidri ware was introduced in his period. Ahmad Shah was succeeded by his son Alauddin II, AD 1436 to 58, and Humayun, AD 1458 to 61, was so cruel that he got the title of Zalim. Humayun was succeeded by his son Nizam Shah, 1461 to 63, and then by Muhammad
Justice
Shah
must
III,
uphold
AD 1463 to 82. Mahmud Gawa was the prime minister of Muhammad. Nikitin, a Russian merchant, visited Bidar during his reign. After Gawa's execution by the discontented noble, the Bahmani kingdom started declining. The last ruler of Bahmani kingdom was Karim Ullah Shah, AD 1524 to 27. After the breakup of Bahmani kingdom, 5 Muslim separate states were formed. Followed 1. Nizam Shahis of Ahmadnagar founder Ahmad Nizam Shah, later annexed by Shah Jahan. 2. Adil Shahis of Bijapur, 1490 to 1686, founded by Yusuf Adil Shah. It was annexed by Aurangzeb. Greatest ruler of the kingdom was Ibrahim Adil Shah. He introduced Dakhni in place of Persian language. Another ruler, Muhammad Adil Shah, built the Gol Gumbaz. 3. Imad Shahis of Berar, 1490 to 1574, founded by Fatehullah Khan Imadul Mulk with Daulatabad as capital. Later, it was conquered and annexed by one of the Nizam Shahi rulers
Justice
of
must
Ahmadnagar.
uphold order.
4. Qutub Shahis of Golconda, 1518 to 1687. Founded by Kuli Qutub Shah, he built the famous Golconda fort and made it his capital. Muhammad Kuli Qutub Shah was the greatest of all. He founded the city of Hyderabad. He built the famous Charminar. Most important port of Qutub Shahi kingdom was Masulitinam. The kingdom was annexed by Aurangzeb, 1687. 5. Barid Shahis of Bidar, 1528 to 1619, founded by Ali Bari. Annexed by Adil Shahis of Bijapur.